Hello, Super Writers. Today's the day where you get to write the final draft of the story that we've worked on this week. Our target skill for today is I can revise and proofread narrative sentences with exact verbs. Yesterday, you drafted your story about a baby animal that you are teaching a new skill. Today, your job is to use this checklist to double check your writing. Read your draft at least 2 times looking for these things. Ask yourself, do my sentences have interesting details? Did I use time order words like first, next, then, last, or finally? Have I used exact verbs? Are there any verbs that I can change to make my writing more exciting? Did I tell the beginning, middle, and end of my story? And then go back and double check that you have capital letters and periods at the end of your sentences. Do your sentences make sense? When you go to write your final draft, be sure to use your best first grade handwriting. I cannot wait to read your final copies. Have fun, first graders!